I see here that you worked at BC Sky for 5 years. Why do you want to leave? Sky will always have a special place in my heart. However, I'm ready for a new adventure. I'm ready for a new challenge in my life, where the opportunity is just not available at Sky at the moment. How do you know that the challenge here will be any different from what you're currently experiencing? We're very similar companies. I did my research and I saw on your website that you guys are upgrading your software to Node.js, and that is the area where I have some expertise and something that I'm very interested in doing moving forward. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself managing the team that will successfully help your company to migrate to Node. I've never heard that one before. Are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. What may I assist?
May I be excused to the restroom?
Okay. You could use mine.
Thank
Second
you.
door to the left.